The owner told us, it looks like we're making more money, but I still feel broke. Where is all the money going? So here's what we discovered. The truth is, they didn't have a growth plan, okay? They definitely didn't have a tax or a financial strategy. When we did the deep dive, they weren't keeping proper accounting records. Their entire bookkeeping process was just deposits equal sales, checking account withdrawals equal expenses. Guys, that is not accounting. That's a bank ledger. They had no idea how much it actually cost to fulfill a job order. They couldn't tell which jobs were profitable and which ones were bleeding money. They didn't know how much material were, and how much of it was allocated per job, how many hours each HVAC tech spent on the job, and how long it actually took to collect on invoices, or what their true profit margins were after labor, material, overhead, and tax. So this lack of insight led to some major issues. They couldn't price jobs accurately. They couldn't forecast cash flow accurately. They were massively overpaying in taxes due to the poor expense categorization and the zero proactive planning. So without that visibility, they made decisions based on feelings, not data. So yes, they grew the team, but not the profits. And without a growth strategy tied to a tax plan, they unintentionally scaled chaos. So once we stepped in, we rebuilt their financial structure from the inside out. We set up the job costing and the project profitability tracking. We implemented accrual-based financial accounting. For clear visibility, we created job and material cost baseline per job. We built a real tax plan to help them improve cash flow and lower the tax burden. And so as a result, they finally understood where the numbers were. They adjusted pricing, and from there, they were able to increase profitability without having to go and acquire new clients.